Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how I do my natural wavy hair. I first start off with some argan oil. I start with a pea-size amount and I start from my ends and work my way up all the way to the roots. This is freshly washed hair. It's about only 20% dry. It's pretty much just all sopping wet. It's better if it's completely wet. Next, I take my DevaCurl wave maker. I take another pea-size amount on both sides of my head and gently scrunch it into my hair. If I'm too rough with my hair, I notice that the waves tend to go straight and it kind of puts my hair in knots. So I try to gently put it in. Now I'm taking my pillow soft curls and I'm putting a pea-size amount on both sides of my head. This product is a little bit thicker for me, so I tend to be very careful with it. I focus it more in the front because that is where my hair gets a little bit more straight. Now I'm just taking a clear hard gel and I'm going to kind of cast my hair. I'm also being really gentle like before with my hair so it doesn't knot or clump or just make my hair straight. I'll do this right before I diffuse it, or if I plan on letting it air dry, it helps keep the waves formed and kind of gives it that wet look still, because the minute my hair dries, it just goes straight. Again, I'm also just using a pea-size amount or a little bit more depending on how formed I want my waves for that day. Now I'm going to go get my diffuser. I put it on a very cool temperature on a low setting because if it's any hotter or too high of a setting, it tends to make my hair go straight. So I try to keep it pretty minimal when it comes to diffusing. And that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.